Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning Carpenter Layout Pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the Carpenter Layout Pack. So this is what you can expect from it. It is a very clean design and it has high quality images included, which you can use without any restrictions. So whether you're building a Carpenter website or any other website, you're free to use these images for all kinds of purposes, even commercial ones. So that's really nice to have. And if you want to use this layout on your own website, you can simply do that by adding a new page. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Pages, Add New. I'm going to add the landing page, for instance, then continue by publishing your page. Enable the Divi Builder and switch over to Visual Builder right away. So you will see that there are three options you can build from scratch. Choose a pre-made layout or clone an existing page. And if you want to lay your hands on the Carpenter Layout Pack, you will browse for a layout from the layout pack. So you just have to click on this purple button over here. And what this will do is this will bring you to all of the layout packs that are included. So all of these are for free. You are free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to make it match with the website that you had in mind. But if you want to take a look at the Carpenter Layout Pack, you simply have to scroll down until you come across the Carpenter Layout Pack. So this is the most recent layout pack that came out. And if you click on this, you will see all of the pages that are included. And you can view the live demo first if you don't want to upload it to your page right away. So you just have to click on this blue button over here, which says View Live Demo. And what this will do is this will bring you to a live website where you can see all of the layouts. And you can navigate through them and see which one you like and which one you want to use on that page. And once you decide to do so, for instance, I want to upload this landing page, you simply have to go back to your WordPress dashboard. And if you select the landing page, you can click on the green button which says Use this layout. And this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. Now, once you're there, you can start modifying everything. So you can just simply modify the content that's included to make it match with the message that you want to send out, or you can play around with the settings. So you can create your own type of design using this layout pack. You can just use this to start off with. And you can easily modify your website using Divi's Visual Builder. So each one of the elements is editable, and you can simply open one of the modules, for instance, and over here you can scroll down and change all of the content, or you can go to all of the design settings. So there are 3 tabs in total, and you can navigate through these settings and make modifications wherever you want to, or you can modify it using Divi's Modified Styles filter by clicking on Filter and selecting Modified Styles. And what this will do is it will show you all of the settings that have been made to this layout before you uploaded it, and you can simply change these without having to touch the unmodified settings. So you can change the colors, for instance, just to make it match with your own preferences. And you can do that for each one of the elements on your website, for each one of the modules, rows, and sections. So let me show you what that looks like. On a text module, for instance, you can change the text size, the text line height, the font that is being used, and more. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.